LotFancy 5-inch wool polishing pads, car auto buffing pads, used with rotary and random orbit sander polisher, pack of 2. Specification: 2 PCS per box, 5 polishing pad, made of fine and dense lamb wool, washable and durable. Excellent performance, wool fibers distribute material evenly and consistently, polish surfaces to their glossiest without causing damage, ideal for compounding and polishing in hard-to-access areas. Easy to use, hook and loop attachment system holds pad securely and provides quick disc pad change-out. Compatibility: buffing pads can be used in pneumatic or electric polishing machine, used with many rotary or random orbit tools that allow attachment of backing pad. White application: used for refinishing paints and repairing surface defects on a variety of painted surfaces like car, glass, stone, ceramic, furniture, wood products, stainless steel and more. Click the link in the description to get this product.